Welcome to the drone view video of JLS Bantul, Jogja. It's still early in the morning, but the atmosphere on the Southern Cross route is so lively. In the month of Ramadan, after Sahur, many young people gather here to enjoy the fresh air and morning atmosphere. After Sahur, many young people and fathers take the time to take a walk to enjoy the fresh air. This time, we will see the morning atmosphere at JLS Bantul, Yogyakarta, precisely around the Depok Beach and Parangtritis beach areas, which are one of the favorite locations to relax after Sahur. From the heights, we can see an extraordinary view. The expanse of the road stretching wide, with the background of the morning sky starting to brighten, giving a typical Ramadan feel in Bantul, Jogja. This is a beautiful moment and full of togetherness. Due to the high activity in this area, the police are also present to maintain security and order. They patrol and regulate traffic to keep the atmosphere conducive, so that everyone can enjoy the morning of Ramadan comfortably and safely. This area stretches along the coast and is located around Depok Beach and Parangtritis Beach, making it a comfortable place to enjoy the morning air and beautiful sea views. The atmosphere here is very lively, with many people gathering, cycling, or just relaxing, enjoying the Ramadan atmosphere on the beach. of a Ramadan morning at JLS Bantul, Jogja. Crowded, exciting, and still under control thanks to security from the authorities. For those who want to enjoy this atmosphere, don't forget to stay orderly and maintain cleanliness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for other interesting drone view videos. See you in the next video.